Hey guys, Tessa here, and I'm going to be talking about these silicone skin clean brushes by INNERNEED. There is one for your scalp, one for your body, and then one for the face. This one right here, in comparison to my hand's pretty small, but this is a very large scalp massager. It increases blood flow to the scalp to help with hair growth. It just kind of, on those hair wash days, kind of gets the stuff off of your scalp. You can put shampoo on this easily, and it'll be easily cleanable too, because you can just rinse the water through it to make sure it's squeaky clean. Then you have this smaller one. This one is for the face to take makeup off, and it's just a gentle exfoliant. It's super soft. It's silicone, so nothing to irritate your skin. I will be using that to take my makeup off and wash my face. The third one is for your body, just the sensation. They do say that it is cleaner than a loofah, and it's a lot more gentle. It doesn't scrape or doesn't feel uncomfortable by any means. So I'm going to be using the scalp massager right now. It is hair wash day, so the hair's a little greasy. I like to see that my scalp massagers are working with how deep they go, because some spots of my hair are super thick, and you can just always play around with a different pressure, but I like to just make sure that it just gets up all of the dandruff, all of the dry shampoo from the week, all the hairspray. Oh yeah. That's what I love to see with my scalp massagers, all the little dry flakes and the dry shampoo leftovers. And I will use it to also do my 2 rounds of shampoo. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the face wash brush. It is super light, very easy to handle, which will be really nice for when I do wash my face so it doesn't slip out. It's super soft, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start using it. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet this down. I already have product on my face. I have makeup on my face as well, so I'm just gonna scrub that. Oh, this is super soft. It's such a gentle exfoliant. I would definitely recommend, if you do have makeup, to have one of these cleansers, and you can see some of my makeup getting in the bristles. So a quick rinse, and I'm gonna go back in and just scrub some more. I'm gonna rinse that off and set it off to the side to dry. So I hope this shows you everything that you need to know about these food grade silicone brushes for your face, your body, and your scalp.